Imagine this. There's someone in your life right now who seems to be in a state of hesitation or perhaps a bit distant. But what lies ahead is a remarkable transformation in how this person relates to you. Imagine that until now, they may have kept themselves more reserved, perhaps even a bit enigmatic in their actions and the way they express themselves. However, the situation is about to change significantly. This individual, who so far may have seemed to keep their feelings to themselves, is on the verge of entering a new phase where they will become more active and present in your life. We're not just talking about small changes, but about a real and tangible effort that will become evident in their actions. The strength of this emerging energy is a clear indication that, although they may not be the type to easily share what they feel or openly show their intentions, their feelings for you are deep and true. Perhaps they haven't yet found the right way to express this, or maybe they are internally struggling to understand and accept these feelings. But the essence is that behind this apparent calm or distance, there is a torrent of emotions they feel for you, ready to be revealed. This serves as a reminder that people have their own emotional journeys and sometimes need time to open up and truly show what they feel. In this case, it seems they are almost ready to take that step toward a deeper and more meaningful connection with you. They have a particular way of dealing with their emotions, not because they want to appear indifferent or distant. On the contrary, they value the authenticity of their feelings above all else. They prefer to be in complete harmony with what they feel before taking any action. This approach reflects a deep desire not to rush things, not to force anything before its time. They are the type who prefers a more cautious and considered pace, seeking absolute clarity about their feelings. This way of being shows a person who dislikes being pressured to express themselves in a way that doesn't truly reflect what's in their heart. They don't want to be forced to say or do something simply due to external expectations or social pressure. They value the freedom to express their feelings and intentions in their own time, in a way that is genuine and true to them. In other words, they are someone who values authenticity and depth in their relationships. They want to be sure that when they share their feelings or make a decision, it comes from a place of true understanding and acceptance of those feelings. This indicates a level of emotional maturity and a quest for meaningful connections, where the time and space to grow and understand oneself are valued above haste or superficiality. So it's clear that their feelings for you are intense. They just need more time to process everything they feel. And when they finally feel ready, they do not hesitate to act. This is the direction things are heading. They are about to take the initiative. They tend to keep many of their feelings and thoughts to themselves, but what truly stands out here is how they see you, as someone kind, caring, authentic, wonderful, and of great value. They hold a deep admiration for you that goes beyond the superficial, rooted in a sincere appreciation for the qualities that define you. It's not just about respect, it's about valuing your essence, your willpower, and your ability to pursue your dreams and goals with determination. They see you as someone who, even in the face of obstacles and challenges, does not easily give up. Your ability to stay focused on your goals, without getting lost in excuses or justifications, is something that stands out clearly to them. Their perception of you doesn't emerge from superficial observations, but from a deep understanding of your character and your journey. They recognize that, like anyone, you have moments of frustration and discouragement, but that does not define who you are. What truly defines you in their eyes is your resilient ability to always seek personal growth, to always try to overcome barriers, and to extract lessons from every experience lived. They admire how you face life, with a proactive stance, always looking for improvements and solutions, rather than just accepting circumstances. Your relentless pursuit of being a better person, of getting the most out of situations, of not just dreaming but acting toward your dreams, is what really impresses them. To them, you represent an example of determination and perseverance, someone who, despite the ups and downs, maintains a clear vision of your goals and does not hesitate to work hard to achieve them. They see in you not just someone who desires success for themselves, but also someone who inspires those around them to seek their own versions of success and happiness. Your energy and determination are contagious, and it is this light they deeply admire and respect. They truly adore you. They have faced their own battles, suffered their own losses, and gone through difficult times. Amidst their adversities, they see you as a safe harbor, someone who offers support and does not represent a threat of more pain. Somehow, your presence and character have contributed to their healing, as your positive energy and kindness have brought them a sense of well-being, happiness, and comfort, rather than pain or harm. With you, they experienced a sense of relief, as if thinking, wow, what an incredible person, I really want to get to know you better. They want to be closer to you, to feel more of the energy they consider amazing. Your kindness, sweetness, authenticity, and generosity are qualities that deeply attract them, making them feel strongly connected to you. They perceive something in you that is rare and special, something not easily found in other people. For them, finding someone as special and genuine as you is something to be treasured. They want to appreciate the fact that they have found a truly unique and authentic person in their life. In other words, they see you as a light that illuminates their existence, a presence that enriches their life in a deep and meaningful way. They are aware of how precious it is to have someone like you around and want to cherish and cultivate this special connection. They see you as someone extremely important and feel a strong urge to protect you. They wish to create a safe environment around you, like a protective bubble, not because they want to limit your freedom or control you, but driven by a genuine desire to care for and ensure your well-being. This feeling comes from a place of deep affection and concern, not from an intention of domination or possession. They have a deep aversion to the idea of causing you any form of suffering or pain. On the contrary, what they feel for you is true love. Now they are sincerely preparing to take a significant step to reveal these intense feelings that, until now, they have kept secret. This demonstrates the depth of their commitment to you and how much they value the relationship. This desire for protection and the urge to finally share their deepest feelings with you indicate a moment of great importance in their journey. They recognize the magnitude of what they feel for you and are ready to act based on that recognition. It is a gesture that speaks volumes about their character and the strength of the bond they feel with you. They are moving towards a space of vulnerability and openness, ready to express their love in a way they hope will further strengthen the connection between you. Until now, they have kept their deepest feelings secret, believing it might be too premature to share what they feel for you. They think that saying "I feel this way about you" or "I see you this way" might be rushed, as if there were a right moment for such revelations, and that moment hasn't come yet. Their hesitation comes from the concern of not wanting to rush things, of thinking, "Oh no, it's still too soon, I can't do this now." However, they are approaching a point where they will no longer be able to contain these feelings. They are prepared to open up about what they feel for you, to share their desires and understanding of you. They are ready to express much more, to take the relationship to a new level of depth and meaning. This decision to open up comes with intense energy, driven by the desire to avoid any pain or hurt that may have arisen between you. This move towards emotional honesty reflects their care not to replicate any disappointment or misunderstanding that may have occurred. They want to ensure that, by expressing their feelings, they do so in a way that strengthens the connection between you, avoiding past mistakes. Essentially, they are preparing to take a brave step, motivated by the hope of building something genuine and lasting with you, marked by transparency and mutual respect. They have kept their feelings reserved for a long time because they were afraid of acting impulsively or speaking without proper reflection. They did not want to risk regretting later, feeling they might have rushed or not thought through the consequences properly. This caution comes from a desire to be completely sure of their feelings, to want absolute certainty before expressing them, so as not to have to backtrack or acknowledge that their feelings weren't as intense as initially imagined. They value the time to deeply reflect on what they feel, to fully understand their emotions before sharing them. This cautious approach is an intrinsic part of who they are. They prefer to ponder and have clarity before opening up. This process of introspection and caution is a way to protect both themselves and you from possible disappointments or unnecessary pain. Therefore, this delay in expressing what they feel does not stem from a lack of interest or affection, but from a desire to ensure that when they finally share their feelings, they are authentic, well-considered, and truly representative of what they believe and feel. They seek to avoid haste to ensure their emotional expression is as genuine and solid as possible, minimizing the chances of misunderstandings or future regrets. They have kept their feelings reserved, not due to a lack of interest or affection for you, but as a matter of principle and deep respect. They understand the importance of being completely sure of their feelings before expressing them, believing that you deserve nothing less than total sincerity and complete dedication, not mere words spoken in the heat of the moment without due consideration. They have their own meticulous way of approaching things, deeply reflecting on their feelings and the place you occupy in their life. To them, recognizing that you are the best thing that has ever happened in their life is a significant and profound revelation, something that takes time to be fully understood and accepted. They have never experienced such intense feelings for someone before. What you represent to them is unprecedented and exceeds anything they have felt for other people in the past. This magnitude of feeling is sometimes frightening to them. They wonder about the normalcy of feeling something so strong, pondering the intensity and authenticity of these emotions. The idea that you are, in their own words, the best thing that has ever happened in their life, is something that impresses and impacts them deeply. It is an impressive realization, one that shows not only the depth of what they feel for you but also the seriousness with which they regard this connection. They are faced with a powerful and transformative feeling, something that changes their worldview and redefines what it means to love for them. They often find themselves awake at night, reflecting on your presence, which exerts a strong impact both physically and mentally on them. There is an undeniable attraction they feel for you, a magnetic force that transcends the purely physical and infiltrates their thoughts, keeping them awake as they contemplate your beauty and the vibrant energy you radiate. They are truly fascinated by you, with deep feelings and an intense attraction that leaves no room for doubt. They have been through complicated romantic experiences in the past, faced disappointments and pains that left scars. The last thing they want is to go through those sorrows again, which explains their cautious stance. However, their caution is not just out of fear of getting hurt. They also have a deep concern about not causing you any suffering. They want to be completely sure of their feelings and fully understand their emotions before opening up, wanting to avoid any misunderstanding or pain that may arise from hastiness. This careful and reflective approach, far from being an impediment, reveals the seriousness with which they regard the relationship between you. They seek a clear and deep understanding of their feelings before expressing them, which honestly, is a very responsible and respectful attitude. They understand the importance of building a solid foundation for any future you may have together, ensuring that when they finally share their feelings, they are genuine and well-founded. They are mobilizing for a decisive attitude toward you, preparing to demonstrate their commitment and express their feelings in an open and direct way. This represents a moment of great strength and determination. We are witnessing a significant transition phase, where they are committed to better understanding their emotions and adapting to these profound changes happening within them. They are transforming, leaving behind the tendency to hold back their feelings and moving toward a more assertive and expressive posture. Before, they chose to keep their emotions and thoughts to themselves, but now they feel the need to open up, to move forward, to verbalize what they feel, instead of keeping it all to themselves. They want to act, speak, and be more for you, which demonstrates genuine commitment and considerable emotional intensity. If this description resonates with you, if it seems to reflect the situation you are going through, it's an invitation to recognize this truth and prepare for what is to come. Their willingness to fight for a place by your side and to express their feelings is a powerful indication of the value they see in your connection. This change in attitude suggests a moment of revelation and sincerity, a step toward a more open and deep relationship.